Hi, I'm Brian Kearns, and I am here with D51. Are you trying to navigate your parental rights in special education? Trying to balance what you want for your child's education with what you feel like the school wants can be a real challenge. However, you don't have to fear. We have you covered, and your opinion is what really matters to us. Here at D51, we have you covered. We know what to do and how to help you select the best education that you want for your student. You really do have a say in your child's education. What you want and what your child wants is what we want to do. Now, you might be thinking, are your rights as a parent really protected? Can you really choose what kind of education your child receives and what helps they receive? Well, according to IDEA, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, it guarantees your rights to help you educate your child the way that you see fit for them. Not only does the federal government guarantee your rights, but also the state of Colorado also does, thanks to our local elected leaders. According to the Colorado House Bill, a Bill of Rights for Parents, the state, any political subdivision of the state, or any other governmental entity or institution shall not infringe upon the fundamental right of a parent to direct the upbringing, education, and health care of his or her child. Here at D51, you'll be giving 15 days notice about any meeting, any new teaching strategies or resources to be used. And you have the right to choose what services your student needs and gets. Because of this, D51, we work with all parents in helping them choose the best education for their children. We hope that if you have any questions that you reach out to us, we are more than happy to discuss those. Thank you.